Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just there's no ride anything. I just want to show you guys that I bought a seat, a new one. When I've been to Pennsylvania for a camping and stuff, like for a few days. At that time I found this one in a Facebook market for a long time. It's been like 2 months. And I contacted and he said he's gonna sell it for somebody if somebody came, but luckily nobody bought it. So when I go there and I contacted and he said still available, then I bought this seat for $50. So normally this seats it costs like $350 plus tax, something is around $400. So today I'm gonna change into this seat, so in the future when I do reverse, so reverse when I park in every single time when I do kind of reverse or parking, I have to do like going back or forth, like some kind of, it's not easy because my tiptoe with this bike. So I'm changing with this one, with the seat here. So low seat is perfectly for me. It's gonna be like 1.5 inch something down. And I have a next one. I want to change the exhaust here. So if I will put this in the stand. So I'll show you. Install this Vance & Hines muffler. So looks like looks exactly same like this one, the stock, but it's totally different. It's a little bit louder, but still they have a baffle inside, so it makes less sounds, but a little bit bigger, a little bit louder than the stock. So but sounds better than the stock. So right now the stock sounds so very low sounds right now. So I want to install this one. This is a muffler. This goes first here like this. Yeah, this one here. Yeah. If I show you. Yeah, right now the exhaust, the stock look like this, but instead of this one it's gonna be this one instead of this one. Sounds very good. It's gonna be better than the stock, and 6-7 pounds lighter than the stock. The stock itself is 6-7 pounds. It's very heavy. So now I have to remove this cover. I have to remove this baggage. So far, yeah, I think it will be okay. So let's do it. Okay, I wanna install this muffler exhaust here. Vance & Hines competition only is this, I don't know. It's legally. These two things I want to install right now today. then lose the washer, the plastic washer. The guy here lost the original screws here. Okay, I got it. This one. Slide this way. I have to do here. Last time I did here. No, there's a bunch of screws here. Alright guys, I want to remove the exhaust first. I'm turning out those things. I want to remove this exhaust first. And then remove this one. Okay, this is one now. What I need is I want to use a screw gun to remove these things, or I can use a socket here between here. Okay. That is the screw this muffler is holding here. If you see, guys, through it there, these screws, I have to remove these screws by Allen key. Once you remove this, is the main section of the, we're not going changing whole thing here. Up to here, muffler goes up to here, and there's a adapter comes with that thing. I'll show you guys. It is very easy, just okay, remove from here. These bolts are reaching here and this coming on this other side. So guys, here you want to lift it up. Oh, holy, this is so heavy. This is 78 pounds here. It's already this exhaust. It's gonna minimize baggage when you ride. Longer, looks like, I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Now I installed it. Now I put back this one here in my box. Now this exhaust came with his own exhaust. I don't know, it's like it's almost same thing. Maybe I'm gonna use the stock to hold this one. What I'm gonna do, or maybe for this one, I will see. Check it on. I like the stock. If stock fits, I want to install the stock. So now what I'm going to do is this goes this way, it's like that, so goes this, it has to go this way. I want to see with stock a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna install this one to hook this one. Now to hold this one, I need a special. This is so strong. I need a special things to catch this one. Okay. To hook this one in the bottom. Holy, this is not a normal. This is really tight. Fuck. Damn. This is not. To hook this one, this spring loaded is so strong. I cannot pull back. Oh, thank God. Okay, thank God I got one. The next one, I had to push so hard. Okay, next one, other side. Holy, this. Oh, thank God, guys. I did it. Holy moly. So tight now. I want to see that now. Okay. You can see it. Holy. Okay, almost come out. Okay, hopefully it works. Let's see. I'm gonna try with this one. First, I wanna try without putting any of this one. So how loose it? Oh, I think definitely I need this one. Looks good. Here, guys. This looks so nice. I will try with this one. Oh no, that's huge difference. Exhaust, this special, this one for exhaust, this is bigger than itself, so I don't wanna put this one, and this one, even the stock you cannot make it tight. So what it comes with, the muffler itself works perfectly. So I can screw here. Now I need a socket, small socket. What size? I have to look at it. Now, oh, first I have to put these things right here like that. Space is in the bottom. Holy damn. I think it's good maybe. Okay, put this here. I put this here. Just leave it there. Just leave it there first. Now, see guys, here, perfectly, it's good enough here. Not here, exactly mounting. I want to mount these screws here. It's perfectly, just really perfect. Now, get this. Okay, I have to put this one on this side. Holy, there's a washer. I don't see any washer here. Very easy. Very easy. This is okay. It's very tight now. Now next I have to tie this one. Next I have to tie this one. Might be this one. No. A little bit bigger. No. Not this one, not this. Oh, right here. I think it's good enough here. It's good there. It's good there. And now we're gonna do this one. Put this one here. Just this one. How can I get a socket from here? Sometimes it doesn't fit, so you can extension here. You can extend like this, so now I can get through all the way down here, just like that. I don't know what kind of torque this needs. I just did it by my guessing, just tight enough not to get. I want to try a little bit more. Oh, still. Okay, I think. Okay, I think I'm good enough. Let's go now. Guys, you can see the exhaust here. Right here. I have to put the heat shield here. I want to test the sound first, so that. Oh. It's brand new, so if you see a smoke here for a while, just for 1 or 2 days, you can get some sort of smoke, but it's not really a smoke coming, it's not leaking, it's just smoke coming through the. Guys, now it sound much better. I will put this stock 8 pounds or 7 pounds somewhere around here. Now I want to change this. I want to change this seat. Let's change this seat to lower. If you guys see it now, you see, slide through. And you I want to get behind this one. I'm gonna get. At least for the 8 feet, it's perfect. But I'm 7.5.8, so there's a big difference here. If you see, there's a lot of curve here. This doesn't have a curve. It's like almost like 2 inches lower. But it can be. It's not going to be very comfortable. But this is not gonna be comfortable as other one now. Holy, has to be in 1 second. Not easy. Okay, fit this one in here. This one goes here. Okay. Like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, you guys see it now? There's a lot of groove here. Before it was like this curve. That's the big difference here with this seat. Now I'm gonna put this here bars before. Just like that. It's like that. It's like this. Okay, perfect. This is not the one. Aye. Okay, now this one. Play with this one. Okay. I need a one screw for this one in the future. One of the screws is lost. Let's see, that's why it looks like crooked behind. If you screw the back screws, I used to be very tiptoe. Now I think it's much better. Holy, much better than before now. Yeah, it's like that. If you guys say without my foot, but still it's a little bit tiptoe like that. Once you ride, it's gonna be perfect. But not like before. I'm 6.8 now. This is good enough. And I will wear my boots. And I think it's good enough. Let's see. Before I used to be tiptoe. Now it's perfect. Really sorry about it. This feels much better than before now. Before I can do this, I can go back. It's not easy. Now I can reach both feet on the ground on both sides. That's a good thing. Before I have to use like now. Think of it. Okay, right this. Yes, that's it. That's for the day. Thank you. I really like this seat. See? My new seat, my exhaust, my new exhaust is perfectly mounted. If you guys see it here, perfect. It's really nice now. Everything's done now. So hello guys, so next video, so I'm gonna do I'm trying to make this poster, and this one I wanna make a blackout. Most of these bikes already blackout here. Most of this everything in the beginning it was so many chromes, so many. So I don't like silvers, I don't want to be seen silver. So now I did all this blackout all everywhere now. Most of these things, most of the wherever, and there's a chrome. I changed into chrome. Now I have to make this glossy. I have to see this glossy because it doesn't match right now. I want to take it out, sand a little bit, like 400, 500 or 1000 sandpaper, and a little bit sand. I want to make it glossy. Looks like this. I bought it from eBay and I made it glossy here. It always came with a gray something like that. So now it's already dirty right now. Looks, but still good. Now I want to put a shock boot here. I want to put a boot here so that I can see this whole thing black. That's the most important things. Long time ago I don't have this bike stand here. This will get the bike all the way to like 2-3 feet up to the high. Once you get there, I want to change this shock boot. To remove the shock boot is not really easy. It's not really easy, means some kind of this has to remove a whole. This shock has to remove first. I have to remove all this blackout first. I have to take it down. I have to take around this brick here, and this brick is a little bit sketchy because when you remove it, you cannot use brake or brake. Yeah, brake. If you hold the brake and all the brake pads gonna be catch inside, so remove it back is not easy. So make a space between there. That's most important. I have to do it when you do it. This most of these things are already good enough right now. So even this one, this Sportster is already good enough. Since oh yeah, all the LED lights are changed. Used to be another LED. Even this one, if I say it like this, everything's changed. Only thing this one is I watched like 2 or 3 times since 2020. It's not ready. I'm using a daily ride for this bike to work, so we get around to buy things like this, and it's easy to go around, you know. So for me, this is so easy for me in the city. I've been like Bell Park with 3-4 times go around. It took like a more noise off. It's good enough now. It's good. I have to clean. I have to make a shine one day. I want to wax it, the bike, so it shines out. So I want to see a little bit better this bike. Yeah, this bike, you see my Sportster. Let's get on with it for a long time. So far no accidents. So far everything works well right now. This exhaust are also third party. Is a Cobra Never Hater. It's so loud, it makes you. So when I go to work, it's every time it's on charge. So I battery always charging. In the morning I just start like 15 seconds, then hit the road right away. So I don't want to make my neighbors noise loud. That's it. That's it for today. So see you later on the road. If you like my videos, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching.